Hello, beautiful people. Tag along with me while I show you how I laminate my lace. So, for me to laminate my lace, I use my B6000. Yes, this is the best gum I have been using so far, and it's been giving me everything I need, all shades of beauty. So, what I do is I put my gum round the designs of the lace, not allowing it to touch the bare part so that it not give me any rough finishing. That is what I do. So when you're doing this, you carefully put it just on top the designs, on the pattern you know that is going to be easy for you to trace and follow. So I do this carefully. So I continue to put my gum on my lace. So after doing this, I go ahead and pick up my lining, which is my bridle, and carefully place it on the lace which I have placed the gum. So I use my hand in spreading it out. Why I spread it out is to avoid lumps. So you will not have any lumps on your clothes after putting your gum, or when you're done putting your gum. Okay, so I use my hand and spread it out. So after spreading it out, this is what it looks like. You could see the stability, you could see how stable your lace is already. Okay, so you're not going to be having your lace one side and your fabric one side. So after sewing, this is what we have. You could see the beauty of it. I want to know in the comment section if you're going to be trying this, and also if this video was helpful. Okay, till we have more beautiful tutorials. See you again.